Solo camping can be an incredibly rewarding experience, but it comes with its own set of challenges. When you're out there alone, being prepared isn't just smart, it's essential. In this video, I'll walk you through practical survival tips to ensure your solo camping trip is safe, enjoyable, and as stress-free as possible. Whether you're a seasoned camper or trying this for the first time, these strategies will maximize your chances of staying safe and thriving in the wild. Before you head out, plan your route meticulously. Mark your trails, know your entry and exit points, and share this information with someone you trust. This simple step ensures someone can alert authorities if you don't return on time. Travel light, but smart. Prioritize multi-purpose items like a high-quality knife, waterproof matches, and a lightweight tarp. Don't forget a well-stocked first aid kit and enough food and water or tools to purify water, such as filters or tablets. Learn to read a map and use a compass. GPS devices are great, but they can fail. Always have a reliable backup for navigation and practice using them before your trip. Know how to construct a basic shelter using natural resources or a tarp. Practice building a fire under different conditions, especially in wet environments. It could save your life in cold or emergency scenarios. Research the local wildlife and understand their behaviors. Keep food sealed and stored away from your sleeping area to avoid attracting animals. Always respect the environment to minimize risks and leave no trace behind. If things go wrong, stay calm and prioritize. Assess your situation, secure shelter and water, and signal for help if needed. A whistle, mirror, or bright clothing can be invaluable tools for signaling rescuers. To recap, solo camping success boils down to preparation and staying adaptable. Plan your route and share it. Pack the essentials, master navigation, build shelter and fire skills, stay aware of wildlife, and always keep calm in emergencies. These strategies not only enhance your camping experience, but also prepare you for unexpected challenges. Now it's your turn to get out there and put these tips into action. Start by practicing some of these skills in a controlled environment before venturing solo. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Together, let's make every outdoor adventure safer and more fulfilling. Stay prepared, stay safe, and enjoy the wild.